Well, for the first time in 25 years, Cross Lakes Antique Boat Show switched owners. Dennis Manningham founded the event decades ago and recently retired. Moonlight Bay now hosts the Antique Boat Show. There was a total of 59 antique boats from the 1920s, 30s, and 40s. One of the featured boats had an airplane engine from World War II. Event organizers loved the memories that came with the event.
They're all nostalgic old boats. One of the things that happens at the show, you'll be sitting down there next to a boat and then somebody will come along and say, oh, my grandpa had one when we used to go to camp, just like this. Beautiful boats. They bring back a lot of memories to a lot of people. That's one of the most exciting things about it, is just listening to all the stories.
Terry and his wife hope to coordinate the event once again next year.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.